that? Do you need that? Is that what you're doing?
No, take it for thinking hard like you could.
You know what? For reading that, you can keep that. You can keep that. That should be like a nice little intro, you know?
Yeah. That should be. You're recording.
How old are you? Good deal.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto, Zertuche, and I am back in the shop, and I've got a lot of catching up to do. I've been gone for basically a week, and so I know I got to do some drawing updates, some unboxing updates. I've got, I got a whole crap load of stuff, so let's go ahead and get this done. Let's get started. Since I was gone, I needed Jeff to kind of go through it and ensure everything was in there, so that way we weren't waiting a week for a response. But right here, I've got reel covers from Alberto. And let's see what we got here. We've got large. So these look like all the largest, which is a size we've been waiting for as well. And then two, we've got this bag here of reel covers. And we've got medium-sized reel covers. Got about 10 of them in there, so that's a good thing. And also too, Twang has sent us a bunch of labels so we can give away with each purchase. We've got some that are high gloss, some that are low gloss, and some that are no gloss, the matte format, as you can see in our videos too, so that does help. So with each purchase, everybody would get a sticker. If you want a large one or whatever, small one, let us know. We're definitely going to do that. And we still have a lot of product that we're giving away with each sale, so stay tuned with that. And then we've got small reel covers in this bag. So we got small, medium, and large. If you're looking for your reel covers, they're here. And we've got a reel here. Let's see what we got. Got an HX 3-speed here. That's high. That's medium. Oh, that's low. That is low. Yeah, buddy. Talk about it. Yeah, very, very nice. So this one's going to be shipping out to California too. We got to get this one spooled up, so stay tuned for that video. Because I'm wondering if that slower gear will allow me to get a little more line on there, but still, he wants enough top shot so that way he can go tuna fishing. So that's one box. Get the next box. I went with the smaller one first. And this one's shipping back. That was the Cortland line that they shipped us a new spool to replace the blue spool that we had gotten from them. But they also sent us the shipping label, so that way we can return that to them, and then they're going to get it spooled up correctly, and then they're going to ship it back to us. Talk about great customer service by Cortland Braid. I know a lot of y'all are new to the channel, and if y'all are, y'all need to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing, and check out our 1,750 videos, guys. We're over that by far, but I know that was the last time I checked. So we got some MXLs in-house. Yeah, buddy. It's been too long. It was a week. I was already starting to cringe. And, you know, don't get me wrong. I love family time, but still, gotta get some fishing time in. Now, what I might also do too, depending on which phone this is, when we were there at the hotel, there was some big old koi and big old grass carp, dude. I'm talking, these things were every bit of about 40 inches. I mean, you could count the 2x6s, and they were just, they looked like big old black drums just sitting there right there by the pier. So it was nice. Oh yeah, so we got purple, we got gunmetal. We got shot. Another gunmetal. And so what I'm trying to do, guys, is get enough to where I have a few of every single color in-house, so that way when you make a purchase and want to buy 2 of them, you can. You know, if you want to buy 2 colors or 2 of the same color. But it has been happening a lot, and it wasn't really our fault, and it wasn't Abbott's fault. Just, you know, the coronavirus being what it was, it took out a lot of companies. Like, people couldn't go to work. You know, you weren't deemed mandatory personnel. You didn't go to work. So fishing was kind of mandatory, so the fishing companies were allowed to, but the other subsidiary companies, they weren't, you know, fishing companies, so they weren't having to, or weren't allowed to go to work. So because of that, you know, they had to slow down on the reel productions and stuff like that, but they are catching up. So because they are, I'm catching up. I'm trying to build up a large inventory of reels, so that way, when y'all place an order, you're not waiting anymore. And in that note, we still got the drawings I'm going to go to, so those are real close if not already over with. I think there's like maybe a couple tickets left over, so we'll find out here in just a second. Yeah, buddy. That sounds weird. You hear that? I don't know what that is, but I'm definitely gonna have to get with Avid and see what the problem is. Doesn't sound right. Wow, I've never heard that sound before from an Avid. So that one's gonna be on standby right there.
Was that with the clicker on?
That's with the clicker on, yeah. You hear that secondary?
Actually had a customer call that they had one just like that. But they ordered from Typo Direct and it was doing the same thing.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, maybe they already know what's going on. We're definitely gonna have to find out what's going on.
But it sounds like it's like a skipping a gear. Kind of, you know what I'm saying? Like the gear or something are not meshing right.
Well, it don't feel like it is. Because if it was the gear, I'd be able to fit it in the handle. I don't know. Don't know.
It was made on a Friday.
It's made on Friday. There you go. How you doing? I'll be right with you. Alright, thanks. Alright, so we got an 80 right here. Ooh, that's a pretty color. A real pretty color. That's gunmetal right there. Okay, got that. You do me a favor, can you put that on the back? It was on the second. I'm assuming that's the only gap there is. Go. And the purple 80 right there. That'll wake you up, right? Yeah. You know what? And I didn't do that on this one. Just how love it. Damn. That's impressive. Really impressive. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So we are at drawing number 6. We still have 10 tickets left. Drawing number 6 is 2 winners. Each one will receive a rod and reel combo, tackle line, and a tackle bag by Vexen. And with that one it's a brand new MXL Raptor. One of these, or one of the many colors we got in stock. Let me give you a quick little rundown of how this is going to work. So you can purchase the ticket, and then whatever color you want to go with between the MXLs, and that will be your winning. So we got green right there. We've got blue right there. Oh no, blue, that's an LX. We got pink, green, black. We got G2 series. We got the red ones right there. Or if you feel that it's too small or too big, you can downgrade to the SX, you know, with a little bit of credit and stuff like that, and get more fishing tackle. Or you can upgrade to the LX, like the blue one, the gold, or the red ones and stuff. Or go even bigger, use it as a down payment on a bigger reel too. So it really all depends what you want to do. Now, drawing number 7 is for a T-Rex 130 like that one or that one. So the guy that won the last T-Rex, he's going to get to pick one of those colors, and you'll get to get the remaining reel off of there. So either be a blue or a silver, and then you'll also get a custom shark rod. That's for drawing number 7. The 552 drawing though, for the 552 blank, with that one, what it is the rod builder has left it up to the winner if they want it wrapped or not wrapped. Because if they want it wrapped, it's part of the deal. You get a free wrap for it. Other guys are like, I don't want anybody to touch it. I want just the rod blank, just so we can have a virgin blank. Which, if you win, you know, at $20, I mean, you can't really argue the fact, because you're also getting one of the MXL Raptors fully spooled up as well. So yes, we will be spooling it up with Cortland braid, and yeah, you can't beat that. You know what I mean? So again, if the reel is too small for what you want, you pay for the difference, and you can upgrade or use it as credit and downgrade and stuff like that. So again, guys, it's up to y'all. Our number is 361-334-2171, or you can send money via Cash App at $Team Hard Life. So again, guys, we've been away for about a week, but I've been hard at it. I had to do a lot of spooling videos before I left, get them edited in between the downtime of being out with the family, but we are back. We are safe. We had a good time. Thank you very much. Weather was crazy, but we were able to find the windows in between everything and still have some good fun. So again, guys, you'll have a good one. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to hit 10,000 subs. We're at 9,200 and something. So come on, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. So, oh yes, don't forget, for each 5 referrals you get to the channel of subscribers, your name goes into a pot. That pot is so that way you can win a fishing trip with Team Real Locos Captain Eric Hernandez, which he's also doing on his channel too. So if you can get 5 referrals on his channel, 5 referrals on my channel, that means your name goes in the pot twice. Or say you get 10 and 10, that's 4 times. 20 and 20, that's 8 times. The more people you get to subscribe to his channel and to my channel will only increase your chances for that fishing trip. Now, the cutoff for that fishing trip and that deal is when I hit 10,000 subs. As soon as I hit 10,000 subs, yeah, done, finished. We're gonna start drawing names. The winner will get with the 5 name referrals, one winner will be chosen to go on what he is calling a tap out fishing trip. If it takes you 2 hours to tap out, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, he's game for it. So are you? Are you willing to go? Are you ready to go? Gotta get subscribers to come to the channel. Now, another way to win is once I hit my 10,000 subs, it's gonna go strictly off comments on my channel. I'm gonna hit the comment selector, and I'm gonna get 10 comments, or 10 people that get 10 comments across. I'm gonna be going live to my channel, so this live video feed is gonna be a long one, because I need 10 subs with 10 tag marks across. So the more that you're interacting with the channel, the better off your chances are to win that. Now, those 10 people, 4 will be chosen to win on this trip. On that trip, there's a big prize giveaway for one of those 4 guys. It's a grand prize for a 10K giveaway, guys. Stay tuned. We got big sponsors coming in. A lot of them they're foaming at the mouth to give us a hand, and it's all because of y'all commenting on the channel, giving us a thumbs up, and keeping it going, guys. Our sponsors are taking care of us. Y'all take care of them by commenting, by throwing their hashtags out there. Hashtag twang, hashtag don't drink beer naked. There's hashtag Cortland braid. There's many different ways, and keep those hashtags, even the ones you make up, coming along, and even the little sayings, because I got something special. I'm working on it, but keep them coming, guys, because we're gonna be selecting one here pretty soon, or you may have a real good idea for one. So keep them coming, guys, because something might really pop off on that, and I really like the idea of it. I don't have anything set up for it yet, so I don't want to just spill the beans just yet, but just keep that in mind. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.